This is how you'll add names to each of the slides for the groups. So there's a text box automatically already there, so you can fit at least 6 names in a row on there. So you'll just go ahead and start typing in the names. If you have more than 6, you might want to make them into columns, but right now you can fit up to 6. And once you get them all typed in there, I'll show you a quick way to get them added to each slide easily. So I would recommend doing this after you've added all the elements you need, and then drag a box around the whole area. And then I would delete the text box from each slide for the names, and then just paste it on each of the slides for Monday. And this is what it looks like when you are in present mode. There's the timer there, you can start it just during your centers, and then there's this gray box that's underneath each row of rotations that helps students know which rotation you are on, and they can see which rotation they're supposed to for each group.